So I got something in the mail. It took 3 days to get here. It's from eBay. It's two. I got two things from the same buyer. I usually never buy two things from the same buyer because I don't know. I just like to buy individual things on eBay. It's two Monoprice 6 foot 6 feet XLR gold plated adapters. I bought it directly from the Monoprice eBay, and they even give you a return label, which is awesome. Monoprice is kind of like one of those TV brands that they range between being extremely amazing with the occasional fault. I've never had an issue with anything Monoprice. I've done a review on like 2 or 3 Monoprice things, and they still work to this day. The XLR to 3.5 millimeter still works, and I think I did another one. I don't remember what it was. But they should be considered high brand, a high quality brand, but they're not. They're relatively unknown. But these were gold plated. They were cheap. They were $6.81 on their official eBay page, and I got them for the Zoom H5 because it has two XLR connector cable inputs. They're not cables. Inputs on the bottom, and my XLR cables for some reason didn't work. And I want to start doing ASMR videos with XLR cables rather than the built-in Zoom XY microphone capsule. I don't know if it's mine or if it's all of them, but mine doesn't really capture the left-right ear audio that well, and a lot of YouTubers use XLR cable microphones, two different ones, and they have it pointed at their face, and then they talk into the left one and right one, and it gives you that full 3D effect. I gotta say that, look how shiny this is, gold plated. I don't know if you can see it that clearly, but it is so shiny. Look at the luster of this thing. It is so shiny, and it's beautiful. I really don't want to mess this up. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It is so shiny. It's not focusing, but that's okay. It smells weird, but that's okay. Cables are supposed to smell weird. I'm going to open up the second one, and we're going to do a quality check on that as well. Job and I are about to get a new camera, and right now I'm using a webcam. The C921 Logitech, it can go up to 4K, even though the box says 1080p and a 720 with 60 FPS. We can't decide between a Panasonic, because I have a Panasonic that we've used multiple times. It looks amazing, and we both agree that the quality looks amazing. It's just P2 cards are crap. They don't last that long. They're SSDs for cameras, and we want SD cards. So we're going to try and decide on a Sony or a Panasonic, not a Canon, though, because I have a Rebel T5i. But yeah, it looks like the quality is amazing if it would focus, but it's not. And it's on autofocus on the webcam. Okay, Zoom H5. I'm turning it on. Not in that way, but I wish, because it's a beauty. But anyway, it's turned on. Anyway, I'm going to try and do this to make it easier. I'm just going to unplug the XY capsule from it. And then I'm going to take the first XLR cable adapter and plug it in. Oops, sorry about that. And plug it in to the bottom, therefore scratching this beautiful piece of artwork. And now I will plug in to the other side of the XLR, the Shure C606 with an on-off switch. One website said this was a karaoke microphone, and if it is, it has amazing quality when I've tested it. And another website said it was a professional broadcast microphone, so I don't know what to believe, but it sells for like $30 on eBay used and about $50 new. So I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to turn on hello. Hello. Oh, sorry about that. Hello, hello, hello. And as you can probably not see because it's overexposed. Hello. No, you can't see, but it is picking it up. It is picking it up. That is good. It doesn't necessarily mean that it works, because I used an older XLR cable, and it was moving with my speech, and when I listened to the recording, it was, and you could hear, it was like an old TV that took an antenna, and you could occasionally hear something, and then afterwards it just became garble, like you couldn't hear anything after a few seconds. Now I'm using the EV Dynamic Omnidirectional 150 ohms RE50B broadcasting microphone. It's a sports broadcasting microphone, and they also put them on the cameras that they use on occasion. I don't know why they would do that, but they occasionally put them on the cameras. And it is picking up this microphone as well. I'm going to hit the 2 button. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. And I have this level set to really high. Stop. Zoom. Stop. Hello. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to record both of these. What are you doing, Zoom? Stop. Okay, I'm recording. Hello, 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 hello. Hi, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Because this volume meter is driving me up a wall on the Zoom. I don't know why. I plug in 2 XLR microphones and the volume 100 is just showing, and it's annoying me because I hate technology. It never seems to work right. And this is a test of the Monoprice XLR male to female 3-pin adapter. Hope you liked it. I think if it's actually working, then I recommend it, definitely. I'll add a link if I like it. If I don't like it, I will not add a link to the bottom.